Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Doctor or Drr.one Free Robux. So as you can see right off the bat that this website is a scam, and fortunately that this website has already been taken down and they cannot scam you anymore. So if you're wondering what this was, it is basically just another one of those free Robux scams that intend to scam children and people into entering their information. But before we get into the details, a lot of you has been messaging me, and this is exactly why I made my research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So links in the description down below for you guys to check out. And without out of the way, let's read some the details of the scam. So as you can see, malwaretips.com goes over how the scam works. As you can see, advertising is always number one. It's common with scams like this. So prompting users to input their username on Roblox. So it looks like this. So for example, you enter in your username on Roblox, and after you do that, this screen will pop up and you can just choose any type of Robux that you want. So it is very too good to be true. So most adults won't fall for these traps or these scams. However, children who don't know any better might fall for these. Maybe your children or maybe your kids might fall for them and maybe get the credit card information that is logged onto their phone, which is your credit card information. So please advise your children or inform them about these types of scams. So as you can see, number 3 is taking users through verification, never receiving the promised Robux, and a lot more. So that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.